to address you. You must go. Ruto must go. Tuko hapa na hatuendi. Tuko hapa tunalala huku na hatuendi. We don't fear you guys. You hypocrites. We don't fear you. Mr. Speaker, we don't fear you. Tuko ndani. We stomped inside. Sisi ni nani? Hakuna kuni moja wewe.
Good afternoon, Kenyans. My name is Chama, famously known as Mr. Speaker, sir. During 25th June of 2024, there was a lot of challenges during the finance bill 2024-2025. So we as the Gen Zs went out and we entered parliament. During that time, when we entered parliament, there was high taxation during that time. The cost of living was going very high. So sisi kama majenzi tuliamua kutoka nje na tukaenda protest. We entered parliament on the 25th of June of 2024. After tumeingia bunge, many of us, their life changed because many of the young Kenyans lost their lives. Many Kenyans during that time, their life changed forever. Like mine, I have been in hiding for almost 1 year, 9 months. Now, I need a change. I need to go on with my life. I need to start a new life. A life that is not about fear. A life that I will do my things. And in this life, I've come to start it now. Because of the threats that the government, their people have been releasing to me. Directly saying that tukikupata tutakufanyia hivi, tukikupata tutakumaliza, because we know this government is very malicious and I cannot stay in hiding forever. We want to change this country and we cannot change it by hiding. So mimi kama chama nimeamua kuanza maisha mapya, na hii maisha mapya naianza, nimemtafuta Mheshimiwa Babu Owino as my advocate. If you have anything against me, you have to contact Babu Owino as my advocate. Yes, Mheshimiwa.
Na mimi nataka nikushukuru sana Chama.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mimi hiyo siku ya Gen Z revolution.
Yes.
Gen Z protest.
Yeah.
Hiyo 2024.
Yeah.
Mimi nilibambika sana na wewe. Siwezi kukudanganya. Mimi nilisema huyu jamaa aliendanga wapi. I've always known that because for 1 year 9 months uli disappear.
Yeah.
So I thought that probably the government, by the use of the DCIs who are abducting and killing people, I thought that probably they had killed Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yeah.
And because of that time, there was no information that we could receive from any of your relatives.
Yeah.
And when you resurfaced after 1 year 9 months, nikasema you deserve a chance in life because you are a legend. Ulimanage ukaingia na pamoja na other Kenyans muliingia bunge. Na muliingia because there was genuine concern.
Genuine reasons.
There were serious, genuine reasons why you came to parliament.
Yes.
Number 1, lack of jobs.
Yeah.
Number 2, high cost of living. Number 3, overtaxation. Yeah. That finance bill was going to tax people to death.
Yeah.
Because of you today and other Kenyans, that finance bill did not see day of light.
Yeah.
It was not signed by Ruto.
Yeah.
Because of you, you saved so many Kenyans. And I know that the government is malicious. They are still hunting down youth, men and women who came to parliament.
Yeah.
I want to tell the government today that this gentleman you are seeing here, huyu mtu, if you have a problem with him, I'm his advocate.
Yeah.
I'll take care of anything that is going against his will and interest.
Yeah.
If you have a problem against him as a government, as a DCI officer, as a president, as any other person in this country, please go and record a statement in the nearest police station.
Yeah.
From there, they will contact me. Contact me. The moment you contact me, I will produce him. from wherever he is. I know that you are malicious as a government and the DCI officers. Any DCI officer who is watching this, msiende huyu Mr. Speaker na mumuue. We know you are capable of doing that. But this death, should he be killed, will not be a statistic. Should Mr. Speaker disappear, we will not take it lightly. We as Kenyans, we need to be allowed to speak. And we know very well that freedom of speech is the oxygen of democracy. Mimi, I'm so proud of you, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Kama kuna shida yote ambayo any DCI officer ako na wewe, kama rais ako na shida na wewe, court iko open. We want to see. There is no mistake that you did. The only mistake you did was to fight for high cost of living. Was to fight against high cost of living. The only mistake that you committed was to fight against high taxation of Kenyans. And therefore we support you fully. We are proud of you. If there's another chance of coming back to parliament, I will invite you. This time round utapata chumvi. Niliona kama unauliza pale. Nyama iko lakini chumvi haikuwa. Sa round hii kutakuwa na chumvi.
Yes, sir.
Tuko pamoja and God bless you always.
Amen.
Sawa sawa.